Hi guys, welcome back to Math Time with Marine 7. So today's topic is that we are going to cover of SSC Maths 2 circle. The touching circles is our topic, and today we are going to see two different types of touching circles. The very first figure which you all can see is there are two circles which are touching externally, and in the second figure we are going to learn when the circles are touching internally. Okay, so let us start. So here then, my dear children, there are two circles, and circles are incomplete without the center of the circle. This is the first circle with the center A, and this is our second circle with the center B. Okay, both the circles are touching to each other. Now when the two circles touch each other, okay, so there is one point of contact. उनका जो point of contact होता है वो एक ही होता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ एक ही पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. एंड इफ यू ट्राई टू जॉइन बोथ द सेंटर्स ऑफ द सर्कल, सो हियर इट पासिस फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. ठीक है, and if you try to draw the tangent, so it passes from same point of contact. So here now for the point of contact I am giving the name as M. So when the circles are touching internally, so how we are going to write the betweenness? A dash M dash B. So in this case the circles are touching to each other, okay, externally at point M. The name of the tangent is line L. In the second figure the circle, एक circle दूसरे circle के अंदर है. That is why here the circles are touching internally, children. So if you see over here, when the two circles are touching internally, okay, first we will write the name of the centers. The center for the big circle is the center A, and the center is B. Now both the circles are touching internally, so here also if you try to join both the radii and if you try to extend, you all can see both the circles have a single point of contact. तो externally हो या internally हो, उनका जो point of contact होता है वो एक ही होता है. अगर यहाँ भी if we try to draw the tangent passes from the point of contact. Okay, अगर हम लोग यहाँ कहीं भी बना सकते हैं, but here you all can see especially the two circles are touching internally, and if you try to draw the tangent, here the tangent name is line L, and here I am giving the point of contact, the name for the point of contact is T. So if you try to join both the centers, it will meet at T. So इसमें betweenness कैसे होगा? A dash B dash T. ठीक है, आगे जाने के बाद when we do the exercise we will see when we have to add the two radii in order to get the distance between the center of the circle, when we have to subtract the bigger radii with the smaller radii in order to get the distance between the center of the circle. Okay, so let us start with the exercise then. Now here you all can see the first question. Two circles having radii 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touch each other internally. Okay, find the distance between the centers. Now here there is no there is no figure required, but for our reference I am drawing the figure on the side. So here, as I said you, when the circles touch internally it will look somewhat like this. Okay, and it will have only one point of contact. ठीक है, अब हमको क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? उन्होंने बोला है टू सर्कल्स हैविंग द रेडियस 3.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड 4.8 सेंटीमीटर. सो हियर दिस फॉर द बिगर सर्कल दिस इज़ द बिगर रेडियी, है ना, ये पूरा रेडियी हो जाएगा. तो इसको मैं नाम देती हूँ R1, और ये R1 है 4.8 सेंटीमीटर का. ठीक है, सेकेंडली दूसरा जो सर्कल है उसका रेडियी है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो इसको मैं देती हूँ R2. यहाँ से सेंटर से ये दूसरा है, यहाँ ऐसा करो या ऐसा करो नीचे की तरफ. सो इट विल बी R2 इज़ 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, what is our question? Our question is find the distance between the centers, children. So distance between the centers means this center, right? So here we have to find the distance between the center, मतलब ये center का ये वाला distance we have to find basically, right? So what we have to do, this was the bigger radii, दिस वॉज द बिगर रेडियाई, उसमें से ये छोटे रेडियाई को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये वाला बचेगा, है ना, वी विल गेट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर्स। तो यहाँ इसमें व्हेन वी स्टार्ट अवर सोल्यूशन, इसमें कुछ खास ज़्यादा नहीं लिखना है। सी R1 एंड R2 वी हैव गिवन द नेम, सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दैट ओनली। लेट R1 and R2 be the radii of two circles touching each other. Now here the two circles are touching internally, right? So याद रखना, so whenever we have to find the distance between their centers, we have to subtract the radii. Okay, now for bigger one we have given 4.8, तो यहाँ लिखना बहुत important है that R1 is 4.8 and R2 is 3.5 centimeter, right? And we have to find the distance between the centers. So here it will be R1 minus R2, that is 4.8 minus 3.5. And if we see 4.8 minus this, so 8 minus 5 is 3, right? And 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is distance between their centers is 1.3 centimeter. है ना, बहुत easy. Moving to the next one, when the two circles are touching externally, sorry. So here for our reference again I am drawing two figures. Okay, now here if you see, for the bigger circle I am giving R1, for smaller circle the radii will be R2, and we have to find the distance between the centers, मतलब ये पूरा center. तो याद रखना जब circles externally touch करते हैं we have to add two radii, right? So here R1 is 5.5 because it is a bigger radii, and our R2 is 4.2. Now figure in this particular case, two cases, the first question and the second question, figure is not important, okay, but for our reference I have drawn it. So the second sum will be, how we have to start, we have to write few things. Let R1, again what we have written for previous question, let R1 and R2 be the radii of two circles touching each other. In this case the circles are touching externally, in previous case it was touching internally. So here R1 is 5.5 centimeter, R2 is 4.2 centimeter, children, right? And we have to find distance between their centers. So distance between centers, here it is R1 plus R2, मतलब 5.5 plus 4.2, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 5.5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So ये distance between the center is 9.7 centimeter. I hope so with these two questions you have understood the concept of touching circles when the circles are touching externally and internally. So please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button. Don't just see the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Bye bye, take care.